So this is my daily basic makeup routine which I follow. I think you can follow also. This is quite simple and easy. Hi guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel. This is my first makeup video on this channel. In this video, now I'm going to show you my daily makeup routine. Let's do it. Okay guys, let me show you which products I'm going to use in this video. First I'm going to use this moisturizer from Rituals SPF 30. And the second one, this is L'Occitane BB cream. Then I'm going to use, of course, mascara Kiko Milano. Then I'm gonna use this one, eyeshade from Maybelline Gigi Hadid. One of my favorite blush on from Color Bar. I'm going to use two shades in this video. One is L'Oreal and second is 9 to 5 Lakme. So now let's start. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this from Color Bar. Now I will use this mascara from Kiko Milano.
You take me closer, you hold me out in the open, we're falling deep.
So my eyes part is done. So after that I'm going to use this moisturizer from Ritual SPF 30.
Feeling I'll never be hiding, from daylight till darkness, our love will drive us to madness.
After this I will use my BB cream from L'Occitane. I'm gonna mix my moisturizer in my BB cream because my face is little dry. So now I will use blush on from Color Bar. Now I'm gonna use my lipsticks from Lakme and L'Oreal.
I'm dreaming, you're wondering, we're waiting.
So this is my daily basic makeup routine which I follow. I think you can follow also. This is quite simple and easy. If you want to buy the same makeup product which I use in my video, please check the description of this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. If you want any makeup suggestion, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.